Welcome back to another tutorial for the Solarpunk game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Solarpunk game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, in order to change your language, go ahead and click on Settings, which is the middle button at the homepage. Once you are taken into the Settings page, make sure that you are within the General tab. And now within General, you will find the language option right at the beginning. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the various languages that are available. Once you have found your desired language, just click on Save and Back, which will save your changes. And now your language that you have chosen has been applied to the game right away. You can continue to play your game with your chosen language, and if you wish to switch it at any time in the future, just follow the same steps. Go into Settings, and from the General tab, you can once again choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Solarpunk game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.